kept seeing people say they're getting free stuff from Temu. And honestly, I didn't believe it at first. So instead of guessing, I tried it myself, multiple times, different attempts. And in this video, I'll show you what actually happened, and how to do it properly if you want to try it too. Before we start, I've placed the latest working Temu FREE Gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case Temu rotates this one. First attempt, why it didn't work. The first time I tried it, I did what most people do. Opened Temu, started browsing, tried to find free gift, entered a code, and nothing. No reward screen, no event, no response. At that point, it looked completely fake. What I changed? Instead of assuming it doesn't work, I tried again, but changed one thing. I didn't open Temu first. I used the promotion entry method before going into the app, then opened Temu after that. And this time, the app looked different. What actually happened? Instead of the normal homepage, I saw free gift section, reward interface, item selection screen. That's when I realized this system depends on how you enter, not just the code, what actually works. After testing it properly, here's the method that consistently worked. Step 1, start with the promotion. Use the link in the description first. This tells Temu you're entering through a free gift campaign. Step 2, activate before opening the app. Scan QR mobile, or use manual activation, then open Temu. Step 3, look for the event, not discounts. Don't just look for coupons. Look for free gift interface, event layout, reward system, that's how you know it worked. Step 4, enter the code. Now use the code on screen. At this point, the system actually responds, the real result. After following the correct method, the event activated, the reward flow appeared. I was able to move forward, but let's be honest, it wasn't instant, and it wasn't some crazy expensive item. It was part of a controlled reward system. What most videos don't tell you. Here's the truth, it works. It's not instant, it's not guaranteed. Some rewards require effort, some flows may involve referrals. That's why people have mixed experiences. Final takeaway, Temu FREE Gift isn't fake, but it's also not magic. It's a system, and if you don't enter it the right way, nothing happens. If you want to try it yourself, use the code on screen and follow the method properly. And I'm genuinely curious, did it work for you, or did it still not trigger? Comment your experience below.